Hello guys, this is Shreya and you are welcome in Shreya Knowledge Hub. Guys, today I am going to tell you that how you will set up Facebook lead generation ad and how you will get maximum leads in just minimum amount from these ads. Right? So guys, here you can see that I have generated these much leads from these ads. Here I have generated 63 leads, and after that here I have generated 71 leads, and after that here I have generated 15 leads from these ads. So guys, here you can see that if these ads are better optimized and well optimized, so I am able to generate these much leads from these ads, right? So guys, here you will learn that how you will set up these kind of ads and how you will generate maximum leads in just minimum amounts today, right? So guys, here we are going to start that how you will set up your ad. So guys, firstly here you are saying that this create option, so you have to click on this option, right? You have to click on create, and after that here you have to go on lead generation. Here you have to click on lead generation, and after that here you have to give your campaign name. So for example, I will set up my campaign name. My campaign name would be SPG CRM, right? After that guys, here you have to click on continue. Okay, so guys, here you have to give your ad set name. So here also I will give my ad set name as SPG CRM, so it would be better for me to remember. And guys, one more thing you must know, that you can run as many ad sets as you want under one campaign, right? And you can set as many ads as you want under one ad set. So guys, here you must remember these things. It depends upon you that how many ad sets and how many ads you want to run under one campaign, right? After that guys, here I have given my ad set name. Here you have to click on here firstly you have to click on Facebook page, and you have to select your Facebook page, right? By default my Facebook page is already selected, so here you have to click on view terms, right? Here you have to click on view terms, so it is verified from here that you have accepted its terms and conditions, right? After that guys, here we will come back, and after that here you have to select your audience, right? Here you have to select your audience. After that guys, here you have to select your location. For example, in which location you want to set up your ad. I don't want to set up my ad in just whole India. I have to select one particular location or some locations, right? So here you can add your locations. Firstly guys, here some options are given. For example, in which it depends upon you that which option you want to select. For example, here it is given people living or recently in this location, people living in this location, people recently in this location, or people traveling in this location. So I want to select people living in this location. I want to target those people who are currently living in my location, right? So guys, here I have chosen this option. After that, here I have to add the location. For example, I want to set up my ad in Delhi, right? And guys, after that here you see that here option is given of add location in bulk, right? So you can add your location in bulk from here, right? So here these options are given: countries or regions, DMAs, towns, cities, postal codes, addresses. So I want to select towns and cities, right? From here I will select towns and cities, and I will expand this area. For example, I will select 48 kilometers or 64 kilometers, right? I will select 64 kilometers. After that here I will give my locations, right? Here my locations are Delhi, New Delhi, Gurgaon, Gurugram, right? Noida, Connaught Place, Dwarka, after that Ghaziabad, Greater Noida, right? I have selected all these locations, and after that I have to click on match locations, right? So here you have to click on match locations, and here you will find that which location matches your city, right? And which location matches your targeted location, right? For example, here Delhi is in India, after that Delhi is in Canada, so I don't want to select Canada, so I will deselect it, right? Delhi is also in California, so I will also deselect it, right? So from here I will select and deselect those locations which are not my targeted locations, right? So here you can see that how I will target my targeted locations and how I will select these locations, right? So guys, here you can see that I have selected my targeted locations, right? After that I have to click on add 6 locations, or add whatever locations you might have add. So you have to click on add locations, right? So here my locations are selected, right? After that guys, here I have to select the age, right, of which age I want to target people. For example, the people who are businessmen, they will take my CRM, right? They will take my CRM, so they must be of age at least 25, right? A businessman's age is at least 25, it is expected, right? After that I want to select the age of people. Maximum age should be 60, right? 60, or it should be 55, right? It should be 55. And genders, all genders people I want to target, right? After that guys, here comes detailed targeting, or you have to select your options to which interest or which kind of people you want to target, right? So guys, here you can see that which people take CRM services, right? Which people take CRM services. So here you can see people of retail industries, banking, hospitality, insurance, consulting, health, and even government services people take CRM services, right? CRM is a kind of portal. So those kind of people who are businessmen or in retail industry, hospitality industry, they take our CRM services. So here I will find those people, right? For example, I will target retail industries people, right? So here I will not target on interest basis, I will target on the basis of job titles and who are businessmen, right? So here I will select retail clerk, right? After that, here again I will select retail merchandiser, right? After that, here I will select here is employers, retail clerk employers, so I will also select them, right? So guys, here you can see that I have selected the people of retail industry, right? After that I will target the people of hospitality industry or who works in hospitalities, right? So I will target hospitality employers. After that I will target hospitality. Another option is hospitality associate. After that, here you can see another is hospitality coordinator, right? So guys, just like these, here you will select all the options which are related to your targeted audience, right? Here from this option you will select your targeted audience, right? I will target only these people in hospitality industry. Once again I will search for hospitality industry, and here you can see another option has come in front of me. So guys, from here you can select your targeted audience, right? After that guys, here you see that you also got the option of browse. So from here you can also select your audience on the basis of demographics, interests and behaviors. So firstly I will click on demographics, and here I will see that which audience matches with my target audience, right? So I will click on work, and after that here I will target industries, right? So here you can see that I have selected the options here from the suggestion. So these are already by default selected from here. right? So firstly I will examine that all the options which relate to my CRM software are selected from here or not, right? After that, if these all options are select, then I will move forward, right? So guys, here you can see that one more option is left here, that is sales. Sales also relates from here, and the audience may also be interested which belongs to sales department, right? So they might also be interested in this. And after that, here comes production. They might also be interested in taking CRM, right? Here comes management. They might also be interested in taking CRM, right? So guys, here you have to identify that all the audience, which is your targeted audience, is selected or not, right? After that guys, here my all audience are selected, so I will move forward from here, right? After that guys, here you get the option of languages. So from here you can select the languages in which the people uses Facebook, right? In which language people uses Facebook, you can add it from here, or you can target your audience on the basis of language also. For example, you want to target those people who use Hindi, or who use Facebook in Hindi, or who use in English, or those people who uses Facebook in English and Hindi also, right? So it depends upon you in which language basis you want to target your audience, right? After that guys, from here I will click on save this audience, right? So here you can see that this is my selected audience, right? After that I will click on save. After that guys, when you come below, here you get the option of placement, in which platform you want to place your ad. So you want to place you want to select automatic placement, or you want to do manual placement. So I will select manual placement, right? So I want to select only Facebook. I don't want to select Instagram. I want to place my ad only on Facebook. So I will select Facebook newsfeed, because from newsfeed better audience comes, right? After that, here Facebook marketplace. So I don't want to select Facebook stories. I don't want to show my ad in Facebook stories, so I will deselect it. I will select in stream, right? I will select searches. I will select instant article. I don't want to select, right? So here it is my placement, in which platform I want to select my ad, right? After that guys, here comes your budget, your daily budget, or from here you can also select your lifetime budget. So from here I will select my daily budget. I don't want to keep it 800, it is selected by default, so I want to take only 200 rupees, right? So I want to select only 200 rupees, and I want to spend only this much amount, right? After that guys, here from here I will click continue. As you can see here, I have selected all the options. For example, I have selected my location, I have selected my Facebook page, I have selected my location, people whom I want to target, right? Languages, my placement. After that, here you have to click on continue, right? I have selected my budget also. After that, from here you will click on continue, right? Here you have to give your ad name. Here also I will give my ad name as SPG CRM, because I will place only one ad in this campaign and under this ad set, right? So I will take my name as SPG CRM only. Whatever you want to do, you can change your name in ad set and ad name also. It depends upon you totally, right? After that guys, here you have to select your Instagram. If you want to place your ad in Instagram also, then from here you will select your Instagram. So I don't want to place here, right? From here you will select your image. You want to select carousel or single image, it depends upon you. In carousel you can select as many images as you want to show in your ad, but I will select only single image, right? After that guys, here I will select my image. From here, from this option I will select my image. But guys, before setting your image, one thing you must know, that your image quality must be good. Your image must not have too much text in your image, right? So from here you will check your image quality. You will select Facebook text overlay. You will type Facebook text overlay in your browser, and then you will click on this link which is shown in first number, and after that from here you will upload your image. I will click on upload, and after that I will select my image, right? It is my image, so I will select from here, and from here you can see that your image is good or not. Facebook text overlay, it means your image should not have too much text, because if there is too much text in your image, then your image or your ad will not be shown to too much people, right? Your ad will not be relevant and it will not reach your targeted audience at all. So you have to select the quality of your image. It is good, so I will upload here, right? Here I will click, right? After that guys, here from here I will click on add media. I will click on add image, and after that from here I will click on upload, right? And after that from here I will select my image. It is my image, so I will click on that, and from here you can see that my image is selected, right? After that guys, from here I will click on continue, so my image will be placed here, right? So guys, here you can see that my image is placed in ad, right? So your ad will look like this, right? After that guys, here you have to give your text and links, right? So I want to write the tags that let's grow your business with best CRM development company in Delhi, right? After that, it is my text I have given, right? And here I will place hashtag, because it is better searchable. If anybody will search for CRM development company in Delhi, then he will find this image or this ad, right? He will find this ad. If I will, because hashtag is searchable. If you use hashtag in anything, then your whatever you are placing, it will be searchable to people, right? After that guys, if you want to give your headline, then you can give from here, and from here you can give your description also, right? For example, and here you have to give your display link. So I will give my display link. It is the spgtechnologies.com. It is a CRM development company, so I will give the link of this company, right? After that guys, here I will select sign up, right? I will select sign up, or whatever option I want to select, here I can select, right? For example, I will click on get offer, right? I will click on get offer. So after that guys, here comes your lead form. Your lead form comes from here. You have to select your form, right? So I will click on new form, right? After that, here you have to select your options, how you want to show your form. So here I will select higher intent. For example, add a review step that gives people a chance to confirm their information, right? So I don't want to select intro, so I will close it, or I will opt this option. After that guys, here comes the option of questions. So from here you can select your questions. I will click on add category, and from here I can add my categories. For example, I want to add my phone number, or I want the phone number of those clients who are clicking on this ad or who are interested. So I want their phone number, I want their name, and I want their email IDs, right? So I will select these options, right? And here you have to give a message, let people know how the information they give you will be used or shared. So you have to give your information, why you are using and how you will use this information which they are providing to you, right? So you have to give your information. So I will write, we will use this information to contact you to assist you in growing your business, right? So I will write this message for those people, right? After that, here comes privacy policies. So you have to do all these formalities. What text you want to show in your link, you have to type here. So I want to show visit website, right? After that, here I have to give my link. I have already copied it, so here I will paste it. It is the link of my website, right? And after that, guys, here comes review screen, right? From here you will come on review screen, and after that, here comes completion. So here you have to edit your text. You have to write whatever you want to do, give your headline. So I will write, thank you for giving your information, right? And here you have to write the description. These all things are mandatory, so you have to fill this. So here I will write, your information is successfully, your information has been successfully reached to us. We will use this information to contact you, right? So here I have given my headline and here I have given my description, right? After that, guys, here comes your option, which option you want to select. So I will click on call business, right? So here I have to give the number. So here, guys, you can see, so here you have to give the button text. So here I will write, call us now, right? After that, guys, here you have to select your country's code, that is +91. So I will type India. So here comes India's code. Here I have to write my number. So here I will write my number. Is the number of office, so I have written it here, right? Is the number of office, I have written it here. And after that, here you have to go on settings. If you want to do any change in this option, so you can do. So for example, I want to select open. In this option, here you get the option that your ad can be shared and anyone can submit this form. So I will select this, right? After that, guys, here you have to click on save, and after that, here you have to click on finish, right? When you will finish this form, then your ad is totally set up, right? Here you can see how your ad will look like, right? Here it is your ad, and when anybody will click on your ad, then he will get this form, right? After that, guys, here you have to click on confirm, right? When you will click on confirm, then your ad will go on review. It will not be approved just after your setting up of your ad. It will be in review for some time, and if Facebook will find that your ad is actually relevant and it is according to the privacy policies and according to the terms and conditions of Facebook, then Facebook will approve your ad and your ad will be shown active as it is shown here, right? As my ad is shown here in active status, then after your ad is approved, it will show the status active, right? So guys, if there is any doubt, then you can ask me in comment section. I will definitely reply you, and I will definitely solve all your problems. And guys, if you like my video and if you got the better information about the Facebook lead generation ad, then please press the like button, and please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, because you will get the latest video updates of my channel when you will click on subscribe button. And don't forget guys to press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video guys.